Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, what I'm going to do is to revive this coils. I want to do a simple revamping to this wig. Is a kinky coily human hair wig, and first thing is to section the hair into two parts. I'll be using two products for this revamping. I want to compare two products for this revamping, and I will use one product for one side and the other product for the other side. I want to ensure that I get a detailed comparison for this revamping. Okay, the first product I will be using is Hauuauan Silky Miracle Worker 14-in-1. This product is popularly known for revamping of hair, reviving of coils. It can also be used on your natural hair. The next product is Mediana Leave-In Conditioning Milk. This product is also used for revamping of hair. You can use it on your weave-on or attachment, or also on your human hair. You can either apply this product directly on the weave-on that you want to revamp, but I think it's best you get an empty container and add the portion that you want to use into the empty container. For this experiment or this comparison, I'll be using a small portion, so I added it in an empty container, then add water to it, then mix it properly. So I'm going to mix this mixture properly before applying it on the weave-on. Now this is a small portion. This is quantity that I will be using for this, and I'm going to use it for the other experiment. I'm also going to take the mediana leave-in conditioner and add it in an empty container, just a small portion, then add water to it. Once the water is added, I'm going to close it and mix it properly before applying it on the weave-on. Now this is two mixture. I'm going to start with the Hauuauan Silky. So I'm going to spread this on this side entirely to see how it looks. Back to the reason why I am doing this comparison. I want to compare these two products to know what's the difference, especially if you want to try out products for revamping. You can decide the one you want to try out and why. For me, the Hauuauan Silky is a kind of costly, especially if you are looking for a way affordable product that you can start with to apply on your coily weave-on. I think this one is a kind of costly but affordable. So this video will show us the difference. If you are coming across this video because you want to know the difference, I think you're in the right track, and you need to stay tuned and watch this video to the end to see the difference between these two products and know the one that you can actually start with. I'm not trying to demarcate any products whatsoever, but we are trying to learn and find a product that we can use and why we should use it. Next thing, once you're done spraying the mixture on the hair, take your detangling brush and brush out the coils. That's basically what I did. So I took my detangling brush and start detangling the coils, and the coils is already popping out. This is a simple way to revamp your coily wig. You don't need too much process. Just with this simple method and simple step, you can revamp your hair. So guys, the coils is popping out. What I'm going to do now is to do the same process to the other side to see how it looks, to see the difference. I can't wait to see the difference of how these two coils looks like. Yeah, this how this one looks like. I am done, and this how the coils looks like. Just take a look and see how nice it looks. For the next step, I'm going to spray this mediana mixture to the side. So let's keep watching and see how it looks like. Talking about this mediana leave-in conditioning milk, it can serve as any other leave-in conditioner in the market. I think it can serve the same purpose, although all these two products can serve as a leave-in conditioner, but this one is affordable and can also serve as other affordable leave-in conditioner. And for this one, they said that it can be used on your human hair, attachment, wig, whatsoever. So this is basically what this one can be used for. And to compare these two products, this one is way affordable to compare Hauuauan silky. So what I did is to repeat this same process that I did on Hauuauan silky, using Hauuauan silky. After I'm done applying the mixture, I used my detangling brush to detangle the coils. As you can see, the coils are popping out, and I'm going to leave this to dry. I'm going to be comparing this when it's wet, compare this to when it's wet and when it's dry. As you can see, both sides there is coils. The coils are coming out already. So guys, tell me what you already thinking about these two coils. This is it. This is mediana leave-in conditioner, and this is how the coils look. Whereas the other side, this Hauuauan silky, this is how it looks like. This is when the hair is wet. Tell me what you think about these two sides. Are you seeing any difference or not? Yeah, I think I'm seeing a little difference, which I'm going to be telling you guys towards the end of this video. Meanwhile, I'm going to leave this to dry while we come back and compare the final results. This is it when it's wet. So guys, this is the dry look of this wig. This side is Hauuauan silky, while this side is mediana leave-in conditioner. And for this side, you can tell the difference already. If you can't tell, I'm going to explain it for you. For this mediana side, the coils looks longer, while the Hauuauan silky looks shorter. Just see the difference. Not only that, the coils in Hauuauan in mediana look straight. Can you see it? And it looks softer. And in Hauuauan silky, the coils looks shrink. This is it. It looks shrink and crunchy. In a physical look, although this is a kinky coily weave-on, or using this Hauuauan silky makes the coil to look a kind of pixie. It looks hard, and the coils looks shrink and nice. And while the mediana looks straight, both are giving coils. This basically the difference. For someone like me that has used these two products separately on my wig, I think Hauuauan silky retains coils, although both products are nice, no doubt. Tell me what you think about these two products in the comment section. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are here to do so, and see you in my next video. Bye.